Going on, guys, and welcome back to another video here at my favorite place, 5 Point Auto Spa with Daniel.
And your favorite person.
Yes, my favorite person. So as you guys know why we're back here, because we wanted to do the hood when we did, Daniel did the front bumper, the lights and everything, but we did not have time to do the hood. So just before we start taking this thing to the desert, because what I have noticed driving this truck, that bugs are, you know, smashing up here. So if a bug can hit here, that means a rock can hit there. So, oh, look at that. What the heck is that? What is this right here? Like concrete hit me? What the hell?
Nah, that's like a ball of dust.
Ball of dust? Damn, just it's all over. Look at that.
Well, what do you expect when you take it to the desert? Look, bubble.
Uh-oh.
Bubble.
Uh-oh, bubble. So what does this mean?
Syringe.
Oh, that's your little Ish's needle you're gonna use?
Yeah,
okay.
Plug my issue.
Okay, so you see, guys, that's what they use that little needle for that I was showing you for stuff like this. But look at all this. Something hit this bumper. Look at all this. What is all that?
You got a lot of bugs. I see that.
Yeah. Well, guys, I mean, this bumper got, it got hit by something, but no big deal. We're protected. Crap. I hope there's nothing on the hood. That's good. Okay. See, guys, this is why it's so important to wrap your trucks or vehicles. I mean, if you're gonna spend money on a new vehicle, just get it wrapped. Trust me, it's worth the money, especially if you have a front painted bumper. I know a lot of you guys say, oh, just keep it chrome. You know, number one, if you're gonna get a Denali, they don't even come chrome, so you have no choice. And number two, I like the color matched bumper better than the chrome. I'm not a chrome guy. I don't like all this chrome. They already put too much chrome as is on these things. So, you know, when they're painted like this, they're gonna get destroyed. So I highly recommend you guys just get it wrapped or clear broad, and it will save you money, and it will keep the front end of the truck, you know, looking brand new. Guys, this is their magic little syringe that they use to get all the little bubbles out and stuff. Oh damn, that's pretty crazy. That's impressive.
I don't shoot up. So there is like
wow, yeah, if you guys remember all that, it's gone now.
Wow. Minor imperfection, but it's not that serious, you know what I mean?
Damn, you can't even tell. It looks perfect now.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty incredible.
That's another reason why we like kind of request that.
Yeah, like you were saying, yeah, leave it overnight or something just so you can
like this, yeah,
get all this stuff out. Look at this, guys. This place is always busy, and it's never fails in this place to have a minimum of like 400 Teslas in here. Tesla in here. There's a Tesla in there. I'm sure Ish has got some more Teslas in his pocket. Look at this guy over here, wet sanding again. The ZL1, this thing looks beautiful, by the way. Very nice. But look at this. Look at that. Oh man, this just is crazy just to look at this. He's just sitting here just grinding away. Or I shouldn't say grinding. Sanding away. Look at that. And this is what it looks like now. This does not look bad at all. But it's even going to look better once he's done. That's incredible. Alright guys, so Daniel here now has, if you guys see, usually it makes it easy. He cuts it out. The computer does everything, you know, makes it perfect. But this is going to be some work. So this is just a huge piece of square clear bra that he has to now get that thing to wrap perfectly around it, sit around it. This is going to take some custom work, right? You usually call it custom work? Yeah. It's going to take some custom work here because a little more tension on it. Yeah. Because this is pretty much it's not cut out. So he's got to cut. He's got to make sure everything is perfect. And this is their fancy handy dandy steamer over here. Is this thing diesel?
Yeah.
It is. I keep smelling diesel. Man, yeah, look at that, guys. Right here. No way. Oh, it is diesel. Look at that. Oh, it's straight piped? It's got any emissions? Emissions? You have to put any DEF fluid in it?
Nah, it's just
straight pipe. Look at that, guys. Straight pipe. Look at all that. Ooh, it's getting hot in there.
Yeah, when it lights up, it's all.
Damn. Alright guys, so now Daniel is using the steamer to get all of the edges, all the crevices, everything in there, because it has to be extremely clean. So if there's any, like you said, any little speck of dust, dirt, anything, the film will actually lift and it will not stick proper. So this thing pretty much makes sure it's spotless. So guys, Daniel noticed here, he was pretty in shock of how dirty and how much fallout there was on this hood. He goes, for being a brand new truck, he goes, it's incredible how bad it was. And he goes, he's worried about the roof. So looks like once we get this hood wrapped, we're gonna have them go through it really thoroughly, you know, clay it, buff it, polish, do whatever they do, you know, to make it magic, to make it look just phenomenal. So look at this, guys. Daniel pointed this out to me, and it's funny because I had this on my LML also, where I don't know if you guys can see, but right here they're like little fish eyes. Like, you know, let me see if I can see it in the light. They're little imperfections in the paint, and my LML had about a couple of the, I think like 3 of them on there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but if you're here, you can, yeah, you can see them. What are they called? Fish eyes?
Looks like fish eyes are a little bit different.
Right there, guys.
It's like a dirt nib.
See that?
And the paint that is sitting in the clear coat. But this, you gotta like let it sit in.
Okay.
So you gotta stretch it on something.
All right. Well, I mean, hey, it looks good, man. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Good to go. We'll go outside, let the sun bake on it a little bit.
Bubbles will come out.
Just cut my vent so I can get my maximum horsepower. That's about it. We'll be good to go. Just, I mean, you got the syringe for all these bubbles, right? Just...
we're gonna use a nail.
The nail, damn. Use a nail for the bigger bubbles. Man, this looks like it's crazy.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun for you. So, like, what do you do here now? Like, where the crease is?
Just gonna feed it.
Feed it under it?
Just like push it in. Smooth it out.
No, I'm talking right here, like this part.
Oh. Well, after I lay it all down, then that's when I'm gonna cut around it, spray some alcohol so it can stick in there, and then just like
tuck it in there.
Force it in there.
Okay.
Should be money.
Hey, you know,
better doing that, you know?
It's okay. It's got a 10-year warranty, right?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Boom. Look at it. Come back. If you don't like it, you can say, hey, Daniel, you know, I don't like it, man. Come back. Daniel will do it again. Daniel loves doing this stuff 14 different times. Yeah, I know. They are really, really good here for customer satisfaction. That's pretty much their #1. But how many like comebacks? Have you guys actually had a lot of comebacks? I mean, I know every shop's gonna have some.
Well, so I taught myself how to do this basically. And in the beginning, it was like they would come back just because, you know, I'm learning. But now they don't. Hold on. They don't as much unless, I don't know. It's.
You've been doing it for so long though that it's not new to you.
Yeah.
Huh? So far so good. Looks like it's going on smoothly.
Just a little patience.
Look at this, guys. It's a very, very critical moment here. Don't want to bother him. Shh, gotta be quiet. He needs his focus. Ah! Let me stick the camera all up in his face and just over here like this.
Oh shit. You're making me nervous. No.
You make me nervous. Everybody's watching you, dude. Yeah, everybody's watching. Look at this guy. They want to see what's he gonna do. This L5P over here. He's gonna destroy this Denali. Cut that paint all up.
Hey.
Hey.
That's a liability right there. Done that too many times.
Done that too many times. I can't do that no more. I'm not allowed to, they said.
Yeah, it's gonna come out on a check.
So now you've pretty much cut all this. This is still exposed, and then you're gonna do this separate.
To another piece.
To another piece. Okay. Dang. So look at that, guys. This part, it's done. He's gonna wrap all this in here, get all nice tucked in. And you know, a lot of people say this stuff, it takes some of the shine away, but I'm just looking, you know, what's wrapped and what's not wrapped. It doesn't look any different. You know, it looks the same, looks pretty much identical. I mean, I don't see.
A black car? Nah.
Why, you can tell on a black car?
Yeah, because
like shine difference? Why are you talking about?
Because there's no scratches at all. Like no.
Oh, so you're saying on a black car it looks.
You're just like, oh my god, it looks just like wet.
Like amazing on a black car.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Look at that, guys. I told you. Every time you see, you get a clear, bro. We didn't get Panda. We got carne asada. Oh man, that lunch was amazing. Came back out here to check on Daniel, and well, he's still cutting away, man.
Yeah, just did this.
Oh, you just did that?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I'm just like trimming around the edges.
And that was the piece that I saw you pull out here that you had to put on there separate.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you put my goop on there, I see?
Yeah.
A little glue?
Gel.
A little gel? Hair gel?
Something like that.
Nice. Oh boy, I'm liking it. She's looking good. Even though, you know, you can't really tell. There's, you know what I think what kind of people kind of get kind of discouraged is, I think spending the money and not being able to see what you spent. But what you guys got to remember is, yes, you can't see what you spent, but you're sure as hell going to see it when your white truck looks like a Dalmatian, or your black truck looks like a Dalmatian, or your headlight that's got a huge, you know, crack in it. So that's one thing you guys got to remember is this is sort of an investment. You're protecting your investment. All right, let's go in here, guys. I want to show you this Camaro. Oh, I think he busted all out already. But so you guys remember Steve, he does all the wet sanding. Yeah, look at this. So he literally wet sanded this whole Camaro. Look at that. I mean, you know, I probably shouldn't have touched that. I'll let him know. But, I mean, this Camaro, he wet sanded all of it by hand. And, I mean, this is just incredible. And this thing is going to come out looking like glass. And it's a nice Camaro, too. See if we can get a close-up. We don't want to bother him. How's she looking, man? How's she looking?
Pretty good. It's a long process. Yeah, it's only one pass. I gotta go 3 more times.
Man, that looks like crazy. That's like a mirror. Wow.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
I got a fat, orange cut, medium cut, fine finish, and then ultra finish.
That's what all of these are?
Yeah.
Damn. That's some work, boy. Alright guys, so now that Daniel has had this sitting for about an hour on here, he does this for the edges so it's a nice tight fit and they don't come up. You guys can see, I mean, look at how it's all tucked in. It looks like there's nothing on there. It does it literally perfect. I'll show you this side right here, what he's working on. He's trimming it. Ooh, baby, look at that. Look at that thing. Can't even tell there's nothing on there. Wow. You know, I can tell this took a long time. There's no sun over here. So usually this place is all sunny, and this is where he checks everything, you know, see bubbles, anything like that. I am bringing it back tomorrow for the tint. So you want to do your bubble check tomorrow?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned for this upload, and then we'll do the tint upload also tomorrow. What kind of tint am I using? I'm not sure. I will let you guys know on that. His brother is actually going to do the tinting for me. Well, there you have it, guys. This thing is almost done. But other than that, that's it. The clear bra on the hood is all done. The little scoop, hood scoop is done. The front bumper, lights, everything. Clear bra is officially, finally completed and done. And you can't even tell it's on there. It looks amazing. But there you have it, guys. That's all I got for you. So if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.